Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. And today, birthday ni Shen. Maato mi sa Catman. Pretty ba?
Sticking around is in my nature. Ain't tolerating bad behavior. You know that sticking around is in my nature. Ain't tolerating bad behavior.
Na-stress na bang tanan? Na-stress na akong buhok. And today, maato mi og Catman to celebrate Shen's birthday. There's another camera inside the van. Here's the van. Not a celebrant. This is my outfit for today. Shen, say hi!
Hi!
Van!
Hey!
Ayan, hi guys! Hi, I'm Shen. Wait, excuse me. Ano namuli mo, charot? Hi, Anis! Pag-hi ka na bayot. Hindi malubat ang phone. Alright. Okay, nakita na niyo kisa kong kauban, okay? Oo. So, mara to. Masakay na ko. Bye! May dapat king naman uy pagkanta ko. Pagpiliun ako kato jud akong kanang ako ang iting song. Say hi uy kay nakauban mo ko an artista o.
Taylor Pingate, segundo ka lang.
Tulog naman agad. Hi guys! Say hi to the camera! Say hi! Hi everyone! Frustrated vlogger yarn. Samot to siya. Shoutout ko sa akong friend na nga masigihilantan ko pauban gihapon ko. Like, I cannot believe it. Oh, mas gihilantan Ang gihilantan Hi guys! Shen, I love you so much. Thank you guys sa mong pa-workout nga 10,000 steps.
So today kay John Robert lang saka.
Muna uwi.
Kay nagdala.
Hi. Bahala agad. Bahala hangakon basta kay guwapa.
Lola. What's that?
Hello guys. Na-achieve din ako ang 10,000 steps. I love you. Happy birthday, Shen.
So try to figure it out.
Hi guys, welcome to Tarima Cafe and Resort. Hi! A day in my life as a burkap nga nanarbahog BTO kung wala kay tulog ni abot sa Catman. Tara, let's go to, welcome to Tarima Cafe and Resort. I thought you said that. Like, oh my god.
No, I can't. Sacrifice.
Alright.
So
there's always that one person that will always have your heart. You never seen it coming.
Happy birthday, Val! Happy birthday, Shen!
happy birthday. Happy birthday, Val. Kiss.
That's what I've been looking to find. Distracted by the surface of your skin. Baby, right little love, boots on a post-it.
Hi, today is Sunday, 11 p.m. I'm out. Thank you very much, Tarima, for the accommodation.
Where'd you get ang chill?
Okay.
And the lechon.
Or, gawin mo na lang.